Hey, what's up guys? David here from Dignited. Today I want to show you how you can power your DSLR camera without a battery. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so connecting your DSLR camera to an AC adapter can provide a continuous power source without having to replace batteries. So with me is a Canon EOS M50 camera which I've been using to take pictures and shoot videos without really using a battery, and in this video I'm just going to show you how to do that. All right, so here is the RAZASP DC drive cable. I don't know how you pronounce it, but yeah, you guys can tell me how you do that.
RAZASP.
I'm just going to unbox this cable right here. Okay, so I've been using it. I just have the old box here, and right in the box you get this cable right here. This is a USB cable which you can use to now plug into an AC adapter here. So this provides 10 watts power output here. It comes with its own power adapter, but you can use basically any adapter that outputs 10 watts, right? Like this little adapter here. I have several of them here. Okay, and then it comes with a dummy battery. Now this is not a real battery, this is a dummy battery, and if we can compare this battery here with the real battery of my Canon camera, this is the real battery right here. You can see they totally look the same, right? Yes. So the only difference is that the dummy battery is definitely light because it doesn't have anything in there, and then it has this port here that then this cable here is going to plug in, right, on one end, and then on the other end it plugs into the AC adapter. So here you go, this is your entire system here. Now I'm just going to show you how you can connect this to your camera. So just make sure that your camera is compatible. This is the EOS M50 right here, and it's totally compatible. And I'm just going to plug in this dummy battery here the same way that I plug in a real battery to my camera, right? Okay, you can see it here now, and it has that little hole right there. That's the bypass. So I'm just going to open this, then plug in the cable here. There you go. Then on the other end, on this end, I can plug this directly into my AC power source, or I can plug it into a power bank. As long as the power bank is able to output 10 watts or more, then this should be able to work. So my power bank is already charged at 100%, and after the connection is done, yeah, all you have to do now is to power on your camera. Cancel. It's coming on. Totally works just fine. So I love using the power bank because the power bank is a lot more convenient than powering using the wall socket, but you can always use your wall socket anytime you choose to. Yes, so this provides your camera with continuous power. You don't have to worry about your camera running out of batteries and so forth. So this trick is really useful for people who are doing live streams, or you have a continuous shoot of a product or an interview or a tutorial, whatever it is, right? This is really useful. So I found this product absolutely useful to my workflow, and I just wanted to show you guys how you can use it. So just go ahead, order it on Amazon. It's only $23, and it comes with a cable and the dummy battery, and also it also comes with a how-to guide which definitely just shows you how you can connect your camera to the dummy battery. But before you order for it, just make sure that the model here is compatible. So this particular product is compatible with the Canon EOS M2, M10, M50, M100 and M200, and also the EOS M3, M5, M6, M6 Mark II, right? Yeah. All right, so before you go out there to buy an AC adapter or a DC coupler, just make sure that you know your camera's model and that it's compatible with the product that you're buying. So check your camera's user manual or manufacturer's website for compatibility options. So that has been my quick tutorial on how to power your camera without a battery using dummy batteries, or also known as DC couplers. You can find these on Amazon and other online stores. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. It's an affiliate link. I may earn some commission if you order through the link. It's worked for me for over 2 years, and I highly recommend this particular dummy battery for these cameras here that I've talked about. All right, I hope this video has been helpful. If it has been, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.